Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to your debit card. So usually here when you open your Amazon, click on the account right here and then go to gift cards to view your balance or redeem a card. And then here you just have to click on the redeem a gift card button. So usually you just have to enter the claim code and then apply to your balance and it will add up to your current gift card balance here. But as you can see, your gift card balance can be transferred to other accounts, used to buy other gift cards or redeem for cash. So if you're going to your terms and condition in Amazon, you'll find that there is no direct option here to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your debit card. But in this video, I will show you the two alternative method and how you can transfer it. First, first thing that you can do is resell your Amazon gift card, or you can just use your gift card balance to purchase a product in Amazon. So if you want to check out, for example here, if you go to your products and then you want to check outs, then basically you will go to your payment methods and use your gift cards to purchase the product. And then you can ask your friends or families to trade it to a cash and send it to your bank account or your debit card. Now, the second method here to transfer balance to debit card is by going to Raise Marketplace. So if you're going to this website, raise.com, then basically here on this page, you can just sell your Amazon gift card for cash. So as you can see, sell gift card for cash. So earn up to 85% cash back when you sell unwanted gift cards to store credits on our marketplace. So if we're going to click on sell a card, then you will now go to the next page where you have to follow the 3 easy steps. First up, find your cards and then list for sale and then get paid. So receive funds via direct deposit or PayPal when you sell. So as you can see, when you receive your money to your PayPal, then from PayPal, you can just transfer it to your debit card. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.